Exercising every day can completely transform your mood and energy levels, and I'm about to share how you can experience that joy yourself. If you're like many people, you might think that exercising daily is a chore or a burden, but I'm here to tell you that it can be a joyful and essential part of your healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of daily exercise, tackle common excuses that might be holding you back, and I'll share some personal insights on how to make exercise a sustainable and enjoyable part of your daily routine. By the end of this video, I hope you'll be inspired to lace up your shoes and start moving every single day. The idea of exercising daily can seem daunting, especially if you're new to it. You might think, I don't have any time, or I'm not motivated enough. These thoughts are completely normal, and I'm here to acknowledge them. We all have busy lives, and it's easy to let exercise fall by the wayside. But what if I told you that you don't need to spend hours at the gym to reap the benefits of exercise? Even a short walk or some light stretching can make a big difference. Common excuses like lack of time, motivation, or resources can be real barriers to exercising daily. Some people might say, I'm too old, or I'm not fit enough. Others might think, I don't have the right equipment, or I'm too busy with work and family. I get it. Life can be overwhelming, and it's easy to let exercise fall off the radar. But I want to assure you that there are ways to overcome these challenges. Physical and mental benefits of exercising every day are numerous. Regular exercise can boost your mood, increase energy levels, and improve overall health. It can also reduce stress and anxiety and even help with sleep. Personally, I've experienced the benefits of daily exercise firsthand. When I started exercising regularly, I noticed a significant improvement in my mood and energy levels. I felt more confident and capable of taking on challenges. One of the most significant benefits of exercising daily is the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. Waking up every morning feeling energized and motivated and knowing that you're taking care of your body is an incredible feeling. I've met many people who've experienced similar transformations, and it's amazing to see the impact that daily exercise can have on someone's life. Exercising daily doesn't have to be about pushing yourself to the limit. It's about finding activities that bring you joy and make you feel good. For some people, that might mean going for a run or a bike ride. For others, it might mean practicing yoga or dancing. The key is to find something that you love so it doesn't feel like a chore. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. I've learned that exercising daily is not just about physical health, it's also about mental well-being. When I exercise consistently, I feel more focused and productive. I'm able to tackle challenges with greater ease, and I feel more confident in my abilities. If you're struggling with motivation, I encourage you to find an exercise buddy or join a fitness community. Having someone to hold you accountable and share the experience with can make all the difference. Overcoming barriers to daily exercise often comes down to finding an enjoyable activity or creating a supportive community. For me, it's about scheduling exercise into my daily routine just like I would any other important appointment. I've learned to prioritize exercise and make it a non-negotiable part of my day. It's also essential to remember that exercising daily is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals and build your way up. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem, and don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day or two. In conclusion, exercising every day can be a joyful and sustainable part of your lifestyle. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up and taking care of yourself. By incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, you can experience the many benefits of exercise, from improved mood and energy levels to better overall health. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you're already exercising daily, I'd love to hear about your routine in the comments. What motivates you to keep going, and what benefits have you experienced? If you're new to exercise, I encourage you to start small and find activities that bring you joy. And if you're looking for more tips on staying motivated with fitness, be sure to check out our next video on that topic. Thank you for watching.